Hello everyone and welcome to Thirsties Live. Today we are giving you an up-close look at our new releases. It's a limited edition spring collection, the first time we've ever done an entire limited edition collection, and we are calling it Rocket Science, inspired by the two prints in the collection. So I'm going to give you a close-up of these, and we're also going to do two giveaways. One is going to be on this Facebook Live, and then for folks that are watching this later on YouTube, there's also going to be a giveaway on our Instagram. So let me show you how to enter the Instagram giveaway, and then I'm going to give you a close-up of these fabulous new prints and colors. So let me start with the Facebook. What you need to do to enter the Facebook giveaway is just join the conversation. The Facebook giveaway is going to be open to the US. The Instagram giveaway is going to be open worldwide. So we have really an opportunity for everyone to get their hands on one of these prints. So on Facebook, we're going to be giving away this adorable pocket diaper in Rocket, and then on Instagram we're going to be giving away a pocket diaper in Science. Alright, so here is how you're going to enter the Instagram giveaway, because it's a little different. Facebook, all you do is comment here on this video. It is pretty there. Hi David from the warehouse. Yeah, I thought that I would go live outside because this is a spring collection and natural light is the best. So welcome to my backyard, everyone, from sunny Iowa City. Although we've had a lot of tornado warnings, so it really can change on a dime. Here's how you enter the Instagram. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to our Instagram feed. You're gonna find this picture here. And if you're going to enter this from, like, say you're a Facebook person and you're going there, all you have to do is go and comment and just type in #ThirstiesLive, or you can share something that you've learned from either watching on Facebook or watching on YouTube. That's how you enter the Instagram giveaway. And the same thing, each comment counts as one entry. All right, let's show you guys. I've got these set up here on my porch. I'm going to give you some nice detailed looks at all of these prints and colors. So here we go. We'll start with Rocket. Okay, so this is our print Rocket. It is, both prints in this collection are kind of doodle inspired. You can see like the etching in the cloud there in the sun, and I just love this print. I don't know if you guys know, but my husband is actually a researcher. He is in the science, and he loves, actually his favorite print is the Science one. But my daughter, when she grows up, she wants to be a princess scientist. So this is, I'm kind of nicknaming this the Princess Scientist print. So yeah, if you are watching this actually on Facebook, I'd love to know, what is your favorite print or color here? So different planets, rainbow, here's the namesake of it, the rocket. And it is just so adorable. You'll see that the snaps are in this lovely pink, and then the trim in the duo wrap and in the pocket, both the natural and the one size pocket, perfectly match the solid that's coming out with this collection that coordinates. This is bubble gum. So while we're doing bubble gum, let me grab, and actually Dave, if you're watching live from the warehouse, if you wouldn't mind commenting with the picture. Dave took a couple of pictures of, we have some colors, previous colors that are kind of similar. So here I have a poppy diaper, and let me show you just how bubblegum and poppy kind of compare to each other. They're slightly shades. Okay, so here is bubblegum. It's a brighter pink, and here is Poppy. There's a little more orange overtone in the Poppy. They're both lovely in and of themselves, but this is a little more towards kind of the hot pink end of the spectrum, and this is a little more subtle. So that's a comparison of Poppy and Bubblegum. So there you go. Before I move on from Rocket though, this is available in a trainer. So here I have a medium trainer, and you'll see it's very, very similar, except we went for a purple trim on the trainer. And so there's a pink trim on the diaper, purple trim on the trainer, just for a little bit of variety there. Look at that planet with the flag. Guys, I just noticed it. So cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there is Rocket. Now let's move on over to Science. So lots of different elements in this one. Lab equipment, chemistry equipment. We've got electron orbitals here, a molecule, DNA. What is that? The double helix? Yeah. And, oh, a ruler. The thing that I love about prints like this is that the more you look at them, the more little details come out. Oh, like this. Look, the light bulb. I love it. I love it. And you know, the thing that I like about both of these is that, really, let's talk about it. People say like, oh, one's girly, one's not. I think that girls and boys could rock both of these prints, really. We went for the black background to keep it kind of fun and edgy on the Rocket, and here we went for this crisp white background, and you'll notice the trim here perfectly matches our new solid azure. Okay, and if you go to Facebook, you can see Dave, he just posted a picture. You'll probably need to look at that after the live video, but you'll be able to see in the comments a comparison picture here. This is quite similar to our former solid, is it ocean blue? Let me look. We've had an ocean and an ocean blue. Where is it, Dave? Oh, there it is, ocean blue. So this is very similar to ocean blue, but slightly different, you know, keeping things new and fresh. So there is ocean, or excuse me, now I'm mixing them up. There's azure and Rocket, or excuse me, Science. What's your favorite part of this print? I think I love the light bulb. And do you know why I love the light bulb? Because if you are in the sciences, you gotta work really hard for those light bulb moments. There is a lot of perseverance that happens in the sciences, which I think is one of the reasons why it's so great to have our kids doing STEM, science, technology, math, or engineering, math. And plus, those things are just fun for kids to discover on. I'm gonna flip this around. Let's talk about where to buy these, when they're available, all of that. You guys like my Elephant Tabulous shirt? Just have to, you know, if I'm going live. All right, so these are going to be available at your favorite Thirsties retailer on June 6th. Okay, they release at 9 a.m. Mountain Time, and with all of our releases, we first let our retailers order what they want and need, and then if there's any extra stock, we sell that at thirstiesbaby.com. So yesterday our retailers ordered, and if you have a favorite retailer, feel free. I already see some people giving their retailers a shout out. Okay, so let us know, where are you shopping for these? Pretty much everything is going to be available at thirstiesbaby.com except for Azure. That's sold out. That's all at our retailers. And we only have the trainer in medium for thirstiesbaby.com. So one thing that's really great though about the trainer is going to be regular lineup. Everything else, that's limited edition. Now, when we come out with these, oh, I'm glad Eva showed up because I have some announcements and one of them was something that she was asking for. So don't let me forget about that, Eva. Okay, so the thing about limited edition stuff from Thirsties, we do not try to do like scarce quantities, because if you love a print or a color from Thirsties, we want you to be able to get it. You may need to shop around because different, especially if you're looking for Azure, you're gonna need to find that at a Thirsties retailer. But if you're willing to shop around a little bit, you guys should be able to get your hands on these. Okay, all of these prints and solids are available in most of our regular lineup things. So actually I can flip you guys around and show you. It's a little hard to see, but here are all, basically everything except sized covers, swims. Oh, wait a minute, are they available on swims? Let me look. Size covers, swims, and pail liners. We don't have these in those, but all of these other diapers, and this is what same diaper lineup for Azure and Bubble. So that's where it's available. Thirsties retailers, most of it's available at thirstiesbaby.com on June 6th. If you're watching the replay, this is June 6th, 2019. So if you're watching this in the future, maybe next spring, who knows, maybe we'll have a new limited edition spring collection next year. I don't know, what do you guys think? But that's where it'll be, that's what it's available in, and I've got two more announcements. We have had folks asking us for a pretty pail liner, I think is what Eva has been calling it. So we have a really gorgeous solid called Sugar Plum, and that is now available in our mini pail liner and our regular pail liner. So that's going to be regular lineup. You can get that starting on June 6th. And then also we've had a couple of folks asking for, they want to buy matching wet bags for their swim diapers, and so we are coming out again with our Tortuga and our Palm Paradise wet bags, because those two prints are available in our swim diapers, and so we're re-releasing those in our wet bag line as well, so you can be all cute and matchy at the pool and at the beach. So there you guys have it. That's it for Thirsties Live this week. We hope to see you guys next Friday. We're going to be doing some kind of a cloth diaper how-to class. And so we're always, if you want us to cover something on Thirsties Live, maybe you have a cloth diapering question that you want us to look at, you want to chat about, let us know in the comments. Don't forget about the giveaways, and if you guys liked this broadcast, don't forget to be notified when we go live on Facebook. If you're watching on YouTube, of course, hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button. And yeah, we appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for all of your support. What we do as a company is inspired by our customers, and so we just love it when we come out with things that make you guys happy. So thanks for being here, everyone, and we will see you around social media. Keep an eye out this weekend. It's the end of the month, so we have the Thirsties Real Life photo contest voting happening this weekend. So you'll see a Facebook album of all of the finalists, and you like the picture that's your favorite, or if you're on Instagram, you can just comment on the collage of all the finalists with the number of the finalists that you want to vote for. And so you guys help us pick the winners, which thank goodness you do, because they're all adorable, and we need the community to help us pick who's going to be the May 2019 Thirsties Real Life winner. So keep an eye out for that, and thanks for being here, guys. We'll see you next week on Thirsties Live.